We're going to take a look at Prince Harry's surprise visit back to the UK this week. The Duke was here to attend a hearing at the High Court, which has been brought after a group of public figures sued Associated Newspapers, the Mail's parent company. The Daily Mail's Sam Greenhill has been in court following the case and has sent us this report.
There have been some pretty extraordinary scenes here at the Royal Courts of Justice this week. I've been sat in the courtroom a few seats from Prince Harry. We think it's the first time a member of the British royal family has been in a courtroom since Princess Anne in 2002, when she was at Slough Magistrates Court, accused of and convicted of allowing her dog to bite 2 children. Now, this case is no less serious, but this time it's a royal who's doing the accusing. The Duke of Sussex and other public figures, including Sir Elton John, are all saying that they were the victims of phone hacking and other illegal acts, and they are suing the Mail on Sunday and the Daily Mail, my newspaper, alleging that their information, private information, was stolen. The group also includes Sadie Frost, David Furnish, and Baroness Lawrence, Doreen Lawrence. Her son, Stephen Lawrence, was murdered by racist thugs 30 years ago, and the Mail has always championed the fight to bring his killers to justice. Now, Baroness Lawrence believes the Daily Mail has betrayed her, something the newspaper utterly refutes. She and the others have issued a list of allegations that is truly jaw-dropping. Mobile phone hacking, landline bugging, phones being tapped, cars being bugged. The list goes on. It's the stuff of espionage, and they say the Mail newspapers did it to them. Now, the Mail has responded very robustly to this. First of all, the allegations are completely and utterly denied. The newspaper says these things just never happened. But the emotional and emotive language used by the claimants in their witness statements has been so brutal and so shocking that the Mail has issued a rare statement. It has deplored the untrue, inflammatory and deeply offensive remarks which Prince Harry used. The Duke, said the newspaper, has become a serial litigant against Mail newspapers with whom he seems obsessed. And here's the thing, the more lurid the allegations, the less evidence is supplied to support them, the newspaper says. Now, the heart of this case is a private investigator, Gavin Burrows. It was his alleged confessions about hacking that prompted Prince Harry, Baroness Lawrence and the others to launch their legal cases. Now, the High Court has heard this week a witness statement from Mr. Burrows in which he denies all the allegations, and what he says is, in conclusion, I wish to make clear that I was never instructed or commissioned by anyone at the Mail on Sunday or the Daily Mail to conduct unlawful information gathering on their behalf. The judge, after hearing this statement, said that the claimants may need to adjust their expectations of the private detective. Now, this isn't a trial, at least not yet. If it ever does come to a trial, the newspaper will vigorously defend itself against what it calls preposterous smears. This week there have been a series of preliminary hearings in which the Daily Mail and the Mail on Sunday group have been trying to ask the judge to dismiss the case. Mr. Justice Nicklin will rule on that in due course. The judge quickly ruled in favour of the newspaper's first application, which was to temporarily anonymise the journalists in the case to protect their reputations. Prince Harry hasn't been playing any part in the proceedings this week. Having flown in from the United States, he's been sitting quietly at the back of the court, taking occasional notes. He's been seen chatting to the likes of Sir Elton John and David Furnish when they came in to view the proceedings. Harry's not expected to see his father, the King, or brother William, the Prince of Wales, during this visit to the UK. All in all, this has been quite a surreal week here at the Royal Courts of Justice, and however this turns out, there's one thing that does unite everyone in the courtroom. Both sides want to see justice prevail.